Forming and maintaining habits can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, it becomes much easier. And that's where Notion comes in. So let's dive into the 3 ways to make a habit tracker in Notion. The first method is the daily habit tracker. Here's how you can set it up. First, create a new database with a table view. Enter your habits as checkbox properties to display them at the top of the table. Add a date property to record the date. Use a formula property to track your progress and another formula to display the weekday of the date. Automation. To add a new entry every day. 1. Create a database template and set as default. 2. Set repeat to every day. 3. Change the date property to created time. 4. Hide the date property in table view. You can add a calendar view if needed. Show habit and progress properties. If you want to display a habit card, a sidebar notification on your dashboard, create a gallery view. Select your daily habit tracker database. Adjust the visibility of the property to display on the card. Set filter to created time is today. The second method is a weekly habit tracker. Start by creating a new database with a table view. Create a row for your habits. And add a select property to set the frequency of your habit. Enter weekdays as checkbox properties to display them at the top of the table. Use a formula property to track your progress. The third method is a monthly habit tracker. Enter 31 days as checkbox properties to display them at the top of the table. Create a row for each month and use a formula property to track the progress. I've introduced it in the book tracker tutorial. Go take a look. And there you have it, 3 ways to make a habit tracker in Notion: the daily, weekly, and monthly methods. Let us know in the comments which method you'll be using. Small Win's new website is now live. Visit smallwins.xyz for articles, templates, and resources to support you on your Notion and life journey. Thanks for watching. Bye!